Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the July Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. And this is the grand tour. We're going to take you around, talk about some of the cars, and just show you what was out there. And we hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we got some unique stuff out here today. We're going to take you on the grand tour of the Yulee Cars and Coffee July monthly meetup. Hold on just a second, I gotta take a picture of a car that just rolled in, this Cadillac. Okay, moving on. Don't see very many of these out. Mercury Cougar. It's a nice looking car. Love the color. And then there's a Ford next to it. It's kind of cool. I'll tell you this, an International Scout. You don't see those running around much at all anymore. We got the Gangster Mobile out here. Got this nice looking slammed S10. Old Plymouth here. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh man, they should have done something to the under the hood. Anyway. Love this old C10 here with the 350. Ooh, buddy, it sounded good. I'd like to get we got two Hot Rod Blazers out here today. We got that one, and then we got the Hot Wheels one on down the line. So that Corvette section. I call that one the Gray Ghost. It's a Little Red Express. It's painted gray and got a Magnum V8 in it. It's cool. See, there's the Hot Wheels Blazer. Gotta take a picture of this T-Bird. Alright. A Porsche and a Maserati up here. And the corn-fed Camaro. Got our Focus section here. Focus harder. Nice colored bill on that BMW there. I love this Nova right here. Love the color. Burgundy, metallic, sparkle. Ooh, it's pretty. Then we get our modern Dodgers to show that. Here comes a Subi. Alright, that's going to wrap up this grand tour of the Yulee Cars and Coffee July monthly meetup. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the July Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. We had a lot of interesting cars out there. A little hot though. Man, was it hot. But anyway, we enjoyed the show, so you guys get to enjoy the show too. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Any likes and subscribes would be greatly appreciated. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers, so that'd be that's our initial goal. And share it around to your car people, share it around to your non-car people. We really don't care. We don't discriminate on this channel. We'll take anybody that'll watch our videos. Just share it around. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Do all the YouTubey things so we can get to 500. And we'd really appreciate it. So, we'll see you guys on the next one.